Welcome to Timeless Knowledge Discoveries, where we explore the ideas, people, and moments in history that continue to shape the world we live in. I'm your host, Noah Lobby, and today, we're diving into the genius of Albert Einstein, but not just the man himself, the ripples of his theories that still touch nearly every corner of our modern lives. So let me ask you a question. What if I told you that every time you check your GPS, you're relying on Einstein's theory of relativity? Crazy, right? But it's true. Einstein's work isn't just stuck in dusty textbooks or confined to physics classrooms. It's alive. It's woven into the very fabric of your phone, your healthcare, your understanding of the universe, and even the way you move through time and space. So buckle up, because for the next 20 minutes, we're about to uncover how one wild-haired genius from the early 20th century is still shaping our 21st century world. Let's start at the beginning, not with the formulas, but with the man. Albert Einstein was born in 1879 in the Kingdom of Württemberg in the German Empire. As a child, he was quiet, curious, and deeply fascinated by light. Not the kind of student teachers bragged about, but the kind who questioned everything. In 1905, known as his Annus Mirabilis, or Miracle Year, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers. 4. In 1 year. Imagine dropping not 1, but 4 revolutionary ideas that would upend modern physics before your 27th birthday. One of those papers introduced special relativity, and a few years later, he would go even bigger with general relativity, a theory that redefined gravity not as a force, but as a curvature in the fabric of space-time itself. But let's not get lost in the technical weeds just yet. Instead, let's talk about how these seemingly abstract ideas show up in your actual life. Picture this. You're driving across town using your smartphone's GPS. Your map is updating in real time. You're following turn-by-turn directions, trusting it to be accurate down to the meter. Here's what you probably didn't know. If it weren't for Einstein, your GPS could be off by as much as 10 kilometers a day. Why? Because GPS satellites orbit Earth at high speeds and altitudes, which means time actually moves differently for them. This is due to 2 of Einstein's key predictions. 1. Time dilation from special relativity. The faster you move, the slower time ticks for you. 2. Gravitational time dilation from general relativity. The closer you are to a massive object, like Earth, the slower time flows. The engineers who designed the GPS system had to literally program in corrections for these effects to make it work. Without them, GPS would be useless. Einstein didn't just change how we understand time, he changed how we navigate space. Let that sink in for a second. Now, Einstein's influence wasn't limited to cosmology or astrophysics. His work laid the groundwork for technologies that revolutionized communication, medicine, and even your Netflix recommendations. Take lasers, for example. Lasers work based on principles that emerged from Einstein's work on the photoelectric effect, which earned him the Nobel Prize. Lasers are everywhere, from barcode scanners to eye surgery to fiber optic internet. Or think about quantum mechanics, a field Einstein helped pioneer, even though he was famously skeptical of its weirdness. Quantum physics powers MRI machines in hospitals, transistors, the building blocks of your laptop and smartphone, even the LEDs in your lighting and TV. Einstein's ideas didn't just win awards, they became tools that now power our everyday lives. Let's zoom out for a second. Einstein's equations predicted something that seemed absurd at the time, that massive objects could collapse under their own gravity and form points of infinite density, black holes. For decades, these were purely theoretical. No one had ever seen one. But then, in 2019, astronomers captured the first ever image of a black hole, and guess what confirmed it? Einstein's equations. Again. Then, in 2015, scientists detected gravitational waves, ripples in space-time itself, just as Einstein predicted 100 years earlier. These waves originated from a collision of black holes over a billion light-years away. It was like hearing the echo of a cosmic event Einstein mathematically heard before we had the technology to listen. Einstein not only changed how we see the universe, he literally gave us the tools to hear it. Now, let's shift from the theoretical to the personal. Einstein was more than a physicist. He was a thinker, a rebel, a philosopher. He once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge. For knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world." What made Einstein extraordinary wasn't just his intellect, it was his curiosity, his willingness to question everything, and his ability to stay playful with ideas others found rigid. Here are some actionable lessons we can take from his mindset. 1. Stay curious. Einstein never stopped asking why. And neither should we. Curiosity is the root of all innovation. 2. Embrace uncertainty. Einstein often worked without knowing where an idea would lead. Progress isn't always a straight line. 3. Think differently. He challenged conventional thinking. Sometimes, the craziest ideas end up being the most impactful. 4. Use knowledge for good. Though his work indirectly led to the atomic bomb, Einstein became a vocal advocate for peace, disarmament, and civil rights. Wisdom, he believed, must walk hand in hand with compassion. Why should any of this matter to you? Sitting at home, or driving to work, or walking your dog? Because Einstein's theories remind us that the universe is far stranger, more connected, and more beautiful than we ever imagined. That time isn't fixed. That space can bend. That the smallest idea, scribbled on a page in 1905, can echo across a century and change the trajectory of humanity. And more importantly, they remind us that each of us, in our own way, has the potential to reshape the world. Einstein's legacy isn't just about E=mc². It's about daring to dream beyond the limits of the known. It's about building bridges between what is and what could be. So next time you look up at the stars, or use your GPS, or marvel at a medical scan that saved a life, remember, you're living in a world that Einstein helped imagine. And if that doesn't inspire you to think bigger, what will? Thanks for tuning into Timeless Knowledge Discoveries. If today's episode sparked your imagination, helped you see science in a new light, or simply gave you something to think about, do us a favor. Like the episode. Subscribe so you never miss a deep dive like this. And hit that notification bell so you're always the first to know when a new episode drops. Got questions? Thoughts? Favorite Einstein quotes? Drop them in the comments or tag us on social. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and never stop wondering. This is Noah Lobby, signing off from Timeless Knowledge Discoveries.